Okay, so I was on a very lucky run where I got like two really good um, vehicles, and then I come up to the rusty rifle, not Twiggy's, to make my base, and I just come across the construction meta event, and there's two sledgehammers right there. I've never seen two sledgehammers just out in the open like that before. That is awesome. And that also means I get to have two sledgehammers, lol. Like, this has been an insanely lucky run, and I'm so happy I get to have two sledgehammers. Granted, I kill these people. Oh, Zambros. Can always go wrong, you know? But man, I am happy today. Today's been a good day. Today's been a bad day.